the entertainment, guys. Amongst the people that were trending izolo after we watched the first episode of Izingane Zesithembu would be Usnem Mseleku, guys. Usnem Mseleku. Angangenza yini lento abantu abathi uyenzile. Can she do this to me again? Mna noTata Mseleku sine preventing ngani sine. Anyways, guys, izolo I think they were closing chapters izolo so that ishow izokwazi nje uqhubeka kakuhle. You remember that the last time uSine Mseleku exelela uTata Mseleku about pregnancy yakhe, wayikhomba phi? Wayikhomba kuKagiso ngesikhathi samajeke eJoburg. Wathi hayi uTata womntanami nguKagiso. Like I love these girls now. I love indlela abenza ngayo. These girls are like, no child is going to be fatherless. If undilele nawe, you are the father. Each and every child must have a father in their lives. So waxelela ke uTata Mseleku into yoba nguKagiso. However, uKagiso akazingeni, umntana uzohlala naye noma acele noSineke, guys. Now later on kuThando Nesithembu kwaphinde kwaveza into yoba uSine Mseleku is not 100% sure about utata womntanakhe after kucalculatwe the time she fell pregnant. Then ke ngoku kwathiwa kaloku uSine Mseleku ngesikhathi samajeke you were already pregnant. The time uhambu yophuza laphayana ojeke in guys, can we talk about how beautiful izingane zikaSine Mseleku are? All of them, they are so beautiful, but ke sana she only finds out at 6 months. Okay, let me not get carried away. So uTata Mseleku nomacele bamxelela into yoba yabona i-dates into yoba ntombi azifani, so you better find out who is your baby daddy. Then ke uSine Mseleku it means that she took time out him wafumaniseka into yoba akunguye shem uKagiso the time eye eJoburg ngesikhathi samajeke ngomnye ke utata. Okay, fine ke izolo ke because she's closing a chapter and she wants to open a new one. Wambiza ke uKagiso ezomxelela into yoba unfortunately you are not the father to my beautiful baby girl. Guys, you know what? Abantu, they belong to God. 100% abantu, they belong to God. Because tell me why umntana kaSine, lastborn kaSine, looks exactly like uKagiso. Looks exactly like uKagiso. Now there is this trend going on Twitter. Khona abantu abathi they think it's a storyline indaba kaSine Mseleku as well as uLwandle. They 100% believe that uLwandle is the father to Kwezi's son. They also believe that uKagiso is the father to Sine's daughter because ingane ifana noKagiso kanjani. Like, how does that work, guys? Isebenza njani nalento? But ke uSine wamxelela ba I'm so sorry, you are not the father of this child. And ke uKagiso wamchazela into ba how disappointed he was because he was so excited, he was looking forward to this. Guys, tell me why ke ngoku baby daddy kaSine is trending about being sus. But it's sus. Yes, like nje ingalela iteam yoSomizi, guys. The way he carries himself and he's just like so soft. Yabona nje, he's just so feminine. You understand? It's soft and so feminine the way ayona. So people on X were just like baby troll ingathi udlalela icala loSomizi. But it could also be that mhlawumbe both sides. Why nimfaka koSomizi? Maybe both sides baby doll. But anyway, again, that is the trendy eyenzeka ku Twitter. Eyesithathu itrend, guys, kuthiwa uSine Mseleku uzithwele. uTirelo uye wakhupha ke ivideo apho ebebonisa khona get ready izingane zesithembu and isisu sikaSine, guys, looks big. Now the last time with fourth pregnancy kaSine, the fourth pregnancy, when people were saying uSine is pregnant, ndiyakhumbula, guys, I did not post. Watrenda uSine okwesibini, I did not post. What is it? Trenda okwesithathu, that's when I started posting about the pregnancy because I 100% genuinely do not believe that Usne Mseleku is pregnant. I just thought that Usne Mseleku akasibophi isisu after a pregnancy zakhe. Akanguye umuntu like obelievele into ba okay, I was pregnant, then ubopha isisu so that isisu sophindela sithanqaze sibe right. You understand? So ndamthethelela ke ndimane ndisithi no, it's because isisu akasibophi, only to find out uba Usne uzithwele ke sana. Now, the last time Usne ethetha noTirelo, she said it herself that listen up, ndifake i-implant guys, literally ndifake i-implant, there's no way engakhulelwa ngakhona. But nje uyayibona indaba kaSne guys, sebembiza ngoRihanna wasemzumbe. Uyabona nje angifuni ukuzingena isisu, yes ngiyasibona. Once again I can say mhlambe it's because akabophi kanti uSne andiphoxe. Sne awupreventing ngani. But according to Usne, she showed uTirelo i-implant. So angazi bafethu, angazi.